IFAST. Okay. Okay, so IFAST. Now, IFAST, because it didn't win the digital banking license, the stock gaps down. Now, this is overdone. This is overdone. Okay, this is overdone. Because IFAST just did not win the license. Doesn't mean that they are losing money, their business is going down. In fact, their earnings, you can see their earnings is very strong and steady, increasing every quarter. Okay, that is for IFAST business. And without the banking license, it can still make money and still grow. This is a growth stock. Okay, so therefore you see today the stock bounces back very strongly. The volume is as high as yesterday, so I declare that IFAST terminal illness is recovered. Okay, that it should recover from here and start to trend upwards towards the next earnings date, right? So that is IFAST for you. The important thing here you want to pay attention to IFAST is this is another tool I use from Charts Nexus. This is the tool for me to check the fundamentals. Okay, you can see IFAST. Health check. This is the health check. Okay, dividend operation. Let me explain to you what is this. This one gives me a quick visual of whether this company is worth to investigate further or not. Right, so based on the annual report, you can see the dividend health check. Above average will mean that it can give a sustainable dividend policy. Okay, and then operation is the earnings, the net income, the of revenue trend. Okay, is it going up or down? And you have got cash flow low, but this is a growth stock. Reinvest back into the business, so we know debt is average. Okay, and then you see profitability of the company, effectiveness, and the financial, everything else is above average or excellent. So IFAST is a good company in summary lah. Okay, so let me go to this quarterly to show you. Now there is 3 different types of report. Annual report is the 顾名思义啦, annually they give an annual report, financial statement ma. So TTM is a trailing 12 month. Now this is where it is more important. Quarterly is more volatile for some companies. So I'm going to use quarterly to explain to you on IFAST. Okay. You can see IFAST quarterly growth has always been in the range of 20% over, okay, 35% of last quarter Q3, which is very good earnings, very good results. Alright, the PE before the banking license news was out, IFAST was trading at about 61 times PE, okay, PE, which is price to earnings ratio. So that is that 61 PE is a number that price in the digital banking license hope. Okay, the hope that IFAST can get it. Okay, because IFAST run up so high so fast also partly because of this digital banking license. So once you remove this digital banking license from IFAST, the stock price pulls back, corrected. So now we are looking at a PE of 47 times. Okay, 47 times. So if you look at the EPS growth rate, let's say next quarterly report, the Q4 2020 quarterly report, IFAST managed to gain 25% in EPS growth, then we will be staring at a share price of $3.19. My projection, first projection. Okay, for it to go back to $4. Now that day, a lot of people could have bought the stock here. Okay, same as me, bought the stock here. So you are wondering, like that, when can you break jail, right? Okay, so unless IFAST has a 50%, which is the second projection, 50% EPS growth, then you can see IFAST back at $4. Okay, but in one quarter growth 50%, it is a tall order. So I think if it can achieve in 2 quarters, that means it will take 2 quarters to reach this 50% growth, then perhaps $4 can be seen, which is about 6 months later. And that is provided IFAST continue to grow, yeah. Okay, continue to grow, then we will be able to see the share price slowly go higher. Now, there is another wildcard in IFAST where they are applying for the digital banking license together with Lee Ka-shing's son in, I think, is it Hutchison? I forgot the company name in Hong Kong. But they are applying for the digital banking license, wealth management. No, sorry, not digital banking license, but like something like wealth management in Hong Kong. I forgot the exact term for it. Too long, never read the news. Okay, but that is a wildcard still. So if they can get that license, then the share price can recover even faster. Okay, even faster. So that is IFAST for you. Now, is it the time to buy now? Okay, now this is the first day it recover. So those of us who has it, now we can breathe a sigh of relief because it didn't fall further, and you can see the buying coming in is very strong. So I want to use my real-time chart to speak to you now for IFAST. Give me one moment. Okay, so IFAST today morning got signal, yeah. Okay, IFAST. So I'm going to go to the intraday chart to explain to you. Okay, now you see, if I use the daily chart, I can't see much. I can't see whether can we buy or not tomorrow or Thursday, Friday. We can't see because this is the first buying candle coming into the stock. So very little information. But what we know is from here it should go up. Okay, it should go up. So let me just take a quick look at the weekly chart. You see, weekly chart, if we finish the week like have a choi zai, that means a hammer pattern on the weekly chart, then this IFAST actually is very beautiful, has a very beautiful bullish candle on the weekly chart. So there could be further price appreciation. With that in mind, we use the hourly chart to find entry. Okay, we use the hourly chart to find entry. Members who are here, you will see that it is actually behaving like what we usually trade on the daily chart. Going up with high volume, consolidating with lower volume, going up with high volume, consolidating with lower volume, going up with high volume. So this is the characteristic of the uptrend. So if IFAST is going to be very strong and continue to chong higher tomorrow onwards, okay, then we have to fall back onto the hourly chart to find our entry point. Okay, our entry point. So that is how we trade the IFAST.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.